enjoying going out into nature alone. I am a girl who grew up, playing video games. Not really exiting the house that much. So this might not be like the most extreme outdoor, hike I've ever been on. It's still so interesting because I'm alone and I'm freaking out at every tiny little like bird noise moving in the bush. I'm like, snake! This is the beginning of a journey for me. So here it goes. Gamer person out in nature. Mistake number 1. Bring some water with you, bruh. I'm all about honesty. I would have never done this had I not had a YouTube channel to entertain. It's like my little child, I gotta set the example. Yeah, I go hiking alone on weekends, and you? Yeah, I know. I do it all the time. Yes, I also talk to myself. Right, phone is about to die. Just want to say my last message. Basically, as you can tell, I lost one of my earpods or whatever you guys call them. I was so sad, and I used to use it to like rewind and go back to previous songs. Now I can't do that. I can only go forward. I can only go forward in life.